Trello Spark is an application platform that abstracts the user experience into configuration data, which eliminates all the custom code normally required to render the user experience on any device. This has a dramatic impact to the traditional approach to build an application. You can get to production faster with a business workflow application tailor-made to your specific business requirements, and achieve it with a smaller budget, and in the process, increase business agility. That's the core value of Trello Spark. But there are so many other reasons why Trello Spark can be the right choice. The user experience can be configured by non-technical staff in real time instead of creating code. Eliminating all the user experience code significantly reduces the effort, increases the speed to make changes, and takes the burden off your developers. Your developers can then focus on higher value activities like workflow automation and analytics. Trello Spark is an open platform, giving you direct and full access to your data. You can deploy Trello Spark either on-premise, in your cloud of choice, or we can manage it for you, and you can easily change that decision anytime. Trello Spark's plug-and-play architecture with its ability to configure the user experience makes it easy to evolve as your business changes. It uses the latest mainstream Microsoft technology. Let us demonstrate to you that Trello Spark is the right fit for your business. At no cost to you, we can configure an initial user experience in Trello Spark based on your requirements. This will show the value of Trello Spark and how it can reduce your costs and time. I hope you agree that's worth a meeting with us to explore.